Good morning. Welcome to this week's Red Short. My name is Jim, and today I will be discussing how phishing has been made easy. As always, you can find information on similar topics at redskyalliance.org. A sophisticated phishing toolkit named Spiderman has emerged on the dark web, enabling cybercriminals to mimic login pages of major European banks and cryptocurrency exchanges without requiring coding knowledge. Sold as a ready-to-use package, the kit lowers barriers for fraudsters, allowing rapid deployment of deceptive campaigns that harvest sensitive credentials in real time. Security researchers warn that such tools signal a growing democratization of cybercrime, where even novices can execute large-scale attacks across borders. Spiderman operates as a full-stack framework, complete with a modular control panel that lets users select from dozens of pre-built impersonations. Attackers simply choose a target institution and generate a phishing page with a single click, replicating login forms, two-factor authentication prompts, and even credit card entry fields. Once the victim submits details, the kit captures usernames, passwords, one-time passcodes, full names, dates of birth, phone numbers, and transaction authorization numbers. It supports advanced modules for intercepting OTPSs via tools such as PhotoTan and stealing cryptocurrency seed phrases from wallets such as Ledger, MetaMask, and Exodus. The kit focuses on financial institutions in 5 European countries: Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Belgium, and Spain. It impersonates banks like Deutsche Bank, Commerzbank, ING, and CaixaBank alongside cryptocurrency platforms and selected government portals. The hybrid approach blends traditional banking fraud with crypto theft, adapting to Europeans' evolving e-banking standards. Distributed via private Signal messenger group with around 750 members, Spiderman fosters an active community for sharing and updates. Its modular design allows easy integration of new targets as banking interfaces change, ensuring longevity. Daniel Kelly, threat researcher at Varonis and author of the detailed analysis, highlights Spiderman's efficiency in scaling attacks. Spiderman stands out because it produces phishing at scale in a way that mirrors how the underground economy works, Kelly said. Many actors don't run broad generic campaigns. They specialize by sector, region, or brand set and rely on tooling that fits that niche. Single brand kits have been common for years, but Spiderman bundles dozens of major European financial institutions into one modular panel, so operators can launch and rotate realistic bank campaigns across countries without rebuilding infrastructure. That modularity lowers the barrier to entry and compresses the time to deploy, which is how you end up with a faster, wider abuse, Kelly said. Kelly added that this automation eliminates the need for web development skills, part of a broader pattern where polished tools make widespread fraud simpler than ever. Such kits compress attack timelines and amplify reach, posing risks to millions of users in regulated sectors. Financial firms must enhance monitoring for unusual logins and educate customers about phishing indicators. As European regulators tighten e-banking rules, tools like Spiderman evolved to match, underscoring the need for proactive defenses in the supply chain. That's it for today. Thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the material and found it useful. If you have any further questions on the subject, you can contact me at the email address on the screen.